Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a third-person controller in Unity. Let's start. Before we jump into the video, let me show you something cool first. If you are working on a Unity game, this is something you don't want to miss. There is a bundle of multiple high-quality assets that usually cost $99.9, but right now you can get the whole pack for just $40. Just use the code at checkout to unlock the discount. Grab them before the deal ends. Link in the description. Let's continue. This is my character, and this character has 4 animations. They are idle, walk, run and jump. Now create an animator controller and open it. Then we drag in the idle, walk, run and jump animations. In the Parameters tab, we add 2 new parameters, a float called Speed and a bool called is Jumping. Now we set up the transitions. From idle to walk, we use the condition speed greater 0.1 and disable has exit time. From walk to run, speed greater 0.5. From run back to idle, speed less 0.1. For jumping, we use a transition from any state with the condition is jumping equals true. And from jump back to idle is jumping equals false. And the last one from walk back to idle, speed less 0.1. We make sure to disable has exit time on all transitions. This ensures that animations respond immediately to player input. And assign your controller to your character. After that, create a script and open it. First, we'll define our variables. Speed is movement speed of the character. Rotation speed is turning speed is degrees per second. Animator is a reference to the animator component. Controller is Unity's built-in movement handler. Velocity is movement vector used for jumping and gravity. Gravity is gravity force. Jump height is how high the character jumps. Camera transform is to get the direction of the camera. Now in the stack method, we get the character controller component attached to the player. Then we create move method. Firstly, we read input from the keyboard. And we create a direction vector based on input. Here we tell the animator how fast the character is moving. This helps transition between idle and movement animations. And if the player is pressing movement keys, we calculate rotation and movement. First, we calculate the angle we want the character to face based on the camera's current direction and the player's input. And we smoothly rotate the character toward that target angle. This makes turning feel more natural and not instant. Now we determine which direction to move based on that rotation. And we move the character in the desired direction. Then we apply gravity to our velocity every frame, and we move the character vertically based on the velocity. After that, if the player presses the jump button and the character is grounded, we calculate the upward force needed to reach the desired jump height, and we also trigger the jump animation. But if the player is on the ground and not jumping, we make sure the jump animation is turned off. And finally, we call the move method in the update. That's it. Then go back to the Unity and add character controller to your character. After that, add the script to your character and assign the required files. Let's test it. As you can see, our character is moving and the animations are working properly. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.